Today our washer broke. It was making some noise, clicking and grinding here and there, but today stopped completely. No power, no lights. I looked at the code that was for a moment on the display, and it says that the control device is possible reason needed to reset by unplugging it from the power for 5 minutes and plugging back in, and it did not work again. Second solution that was recommended on Google was to call 1-800 and maintenance to be performed. We decided not to do that, then buy brand new one, because we had this over 7 or maybe 8 years and it is time to replace it. While we had that noise, like I mentioned earlier, we were shopping around and decided to go with Whirlpool model WTW5105HW, and we purchased it at Lowe's today, actually yesterday, and we are installing it today, and we purchased it for $719 on sale. In order to replace it, first I need to take old washer out by disconnecting the water supply, by pushing this lever back and taking these cold and hot hoses off, taking the drain hose out of the hose inside of the wall, and haul it into garage. I use pliers to do this, channel lock pliers. So it is out, and this hose is fairly simple to take out. You just need to be careful to not to have any water to come out, which is not. We are ready to carry it out. I forgot to mention to unplug it from the power source, which I'm going to do now, and that will be it. Okay, old washing machine is in garage. Basically I just unplug the power and 2 hoses, cold and hot water, and that's all. Now we need to concentrate on installing new one. There are instructions on the box itself with 3 steps what to do. First one is to take off box by cutting on the bottom with a utility knife, and that takes box off like it says in the picture. Step 2 is lean the washer, and with using the safety corners or cardboard corners, put it down on the floor and take shipping carton from the bottom of the washer and set washer upright after that, and take all stuff from the inside of the washer. Will be last step, number 3. Like I said, with utility knife you need to cut on the dotted line all the way around to be able to cut and lift the cardboard. And there we are. Now that we have back of the washer resting on the protective cardboard pieces, per instructions we need to take the shipping cardboard off. Okay, that will be it for shipping cardboard. Now we need to put the washing machine upright. Last step, number 3, is to remove this tape and take all cardboard bags out of the washer. And styrofoam. Looks pretty. In the box that was in the washer, we have manual, draining hose, some tight sample, Now we need to move washer to the location where we're going to install it, and we will continue from there with the hooking hoses, power, and moving it to the right position. I purchased at the same time washing machine connectors, 6 feet long, 2 pieces, blue and red, cold and hot water. It is very much recommended to exchange them same time with a new machine. Needed to move washer a little bit away from the wall, come behind in order to install drain hose. And how that goes is with this clip, we just need to put it on, use pliers, channel lock pliers, and put the clip securely on. Okay, hose goes fairly easy on. All we need to do is to squeeze this clamp and put it on. Hose is ready, clamp is on, and it goes up as it's supposed to be per instructions. In my case, I have different situation here. I have steamer for my dryer, adapter with a blue hose going to that, and I will need to connect red as it should be, and adapter is connected to the washing machine with the black hose, and then from the adapter blue cold line will go to source of water. Per manufacturer recommendation, we need to run water through these new hoses to avoid clogs into bucket for a few seconds, and that is what I am doing now. Usually before with new washers I didn't do that, but this time I'm going to do it just because they recommend it. Now everything is connected. We just need to move it back and connect the drain hose into the drain pipe, and we need to work on leveling washer. Well, looks like I'm lucky here. On the side I am right where it needs to be, and on the front is also where it needs to be. But basically what they are saying, if you are not level, we need to work with these legs that we adjust up and down, depends on where we need to go. They are plastic screw legs that can go up and down easily. After all hoses are connected, everything is leveled. Last thing is to plug in cable into wall. It is 110, which is convenient, and machine is ready. So we'll work on setup a little bit. We will not take any of these foils and stickers off before we try, but they say in the display, press start mode to confirm more options for other languages. Select English, are you sure? Press start yes. Welcome, hello, thanks for purchasing. That's it. And we will now work on quick wash pair instructions here and see how it works, how it sounds, is there any leak, and that will be our initial quick review. Before anything and after power cord is plugged in, do not forget water supply. Okay, just for the initial try, we put 2 or 3 towels, not so much, just to try, and we will put a little tab or pack detergent into dispenser, close it, and do quick wash. So now we need to figure out, quick wash is there, and start. It will wash for 29 minutes, looks like. Well, let's see what happens. Let's try start again. It says hold for looks like 3 seconds and starts washing. Clicking and doing something. So it is sensing, and to not have this too long of a video, yeah, it's starting actually, so we can tape this. It is spinning, sensing. It's adding water. Not easy to see through this glass, but it is definitely adding filling water. Which is not too loud. It is washing, spinning right now. This is the noise that it's producing, which is actually not so bad. It's like regular washer, maybe because the camera is too close, it's loud a little bit, but I think it's not that bad. In the meantime, I checked all hoses for leak, and nothing is leaking. Anywhere I have connection, I didn't see any leak. There is a lot of different options here. We chose quick wash just to start it, and it looks like it's working well. We will, after 7 to 10 washes, or maybe 2 weeks of time of using it, we will make new video and give full review if necessary. Till then, thank you for watching. Have a nice time.